It's going to be Chase Lemieux leading off here at the start in the X-ray. He's putting a ton of pressure from Broc Champlin. Right there in that number 2 spot. Here they come down in front regularly. X-ray versus Skywalker. You got the coach in right there in the number 3, followed by Chase Lemieux in the 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the left hand side of the track. Here they come in through the S-turn. Chase Lemieux got a pump of 4 right now up the entire field behind him as they come back towards start finish. He's running the hot race tires, X-ray chassis, running the Hobbywing motor, or Hobbywing ESP, not just the motor, he's on Hobbywing as well. He's coming off start finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very close together. Davey Bala holding on that 6, Colt Palmer in 7. Ryan coming over the 8. Palmer in the 9 is already in the 2, and now it's going to be in the 11. 1 minute down, 4 minutes left to go. Chase Lemieux still leading the way. The freight train continues over here across the triple on the left-hand side of the track. Here they come back to the S-turn. Man, Broc Champlin trying to find a way around. He looked to the inside. That door was open ever so slightly. He stuck his nose here, but wasn't able to complete the pass. Here they come back to the S-section once again. Broc now really looked to the inside of that rabbit. Now he's feeling the pressure from Field. They work that left-hand side of the track. They're across start finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very close together. Davey Bala right there in 12 and 6. Your four-wheel drive Pro Modified. 8 number 1 underway. 130 down. And 3 great. Let's go. Oh, one hard into the wall over there. That was spin. Spin not going to fall down a few positions. Put Ripken now up in the 3. Horn holding on to 4. Spin to the 5. Down the front straight, let's go. Chase Lemieux still maintaining pretty lead, but Broc Champlin is all over him here, trying to find a way around. Broc now beginning to search for some different lines with some extra speed. Reed comes down the front straightaway. Big Jet would have a little bit of a faster car right in behind Chase Lemieux right now. He's got to find a way around. Chase being flawless here. Very tight on the bike. Clean race line, making it tough for Broc to find a way around. Center Richard holding on to number 3, following 7 minutes to second back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, still very close together. A little bit of daylight now starts to shine between the 5 and 6. 5 is still holding on that 6 spot. Colt Palmer looking at the 7. Cash at 8. Chase Lemieux still in the pressure here now. Looking Broc. Broc all over his back bumper here now as they come down on the front straightaway across the start finish line. Oh, Broc is there. Oh, Broc was just a hair short on the triple as he takes it. Gets it under control. Now we're starting to feel the pressure here from Ripken as they come down the front to the right-hand side of the track. Broc Champlin and Ripken very close together. Ripken trying to find a way around to move up to number 2. Ripken in the associated. Just find the 2 monster here. Here they come down the front straightaway. Chase Lemieux right now enjoying that no pressure on his back bumper here. There's a minute 45 left to go. Chase Lemieux working his way into the S section. Here comes Broc now to the S. Along with Century and Code up here in the 3. Okay, the one still working at number 4. James going into 5. Davey Bala 6. Colt Palmer in the 7. They see him down the front straightaway. Coming off first finish line. We'll go with Alan Sanders in just a moment. Here's the triple here in the back. Chase Lemieux on the left-hand side of the track in the X-ray. Short way. Over on the right-hand side for your race season once again. Broc Champlin is beginning to close the gap. He's down to 6/10 of a second. He's got 1 minute left to go. Oh, small correction after Chase Lemieux. That is now Broc got to put the front on his back bumper. Right-hand side of the track to come across the start finish line. Chase was just an ever so slight correction coming through the corner. That allowed Broc to get right up on his back bumper here. Here they come down the front straightaway. Broc all over, looking to the inside, trying to find a way around. Broc in another 2 spot, put the pressure back on the race here. Once again with 35 seconds left to go. Oh man, Broc hard on the brake, keep running in the back here at Chase. Here comes 2 from there, 10 and 3, 1, 2, and 3 now, equally separated. Back to the middle section of the track, to the triple in the back, with 20 seconds left to go. Broc out on the charge here, 1 more time. They're going to squeeze in 1 more lap, 15 seconds left to go on the race clock. Across the line, 10 seconds remaining now. This will be their final lap. Up and over the triple they go. Here's a few quarters remaining here for Chase Lemieux. 3 seconds remaining. Down the front straightaway. Here goes Chase Lemieux. He will take the win. Here's his two,